Exhale back.
Back her up.
In.
This is real life I'm showing you here. This is Alane, Freund, international consultant in high sensitivity. Trying to do my 10 minutes of yoga with Adriene. And I can't remember where I am because...
To your lunge. Exhale, plant the palms, step the left toes back, plank.
Oh, plank, shoot.
Shift your weight forward, slowly lower down as you inhale, lift up cobra or upward facing dog.
Oh, God, Banjo.
Big breath in here, stretching your front body.
This is how it'll be.
And on an exhale, back to downward facing dog. Inhale, step the right foot up. Left.
Yeah.
Exhale, rock that back foot up to meet the front. Inhale, halfway lift, use your breath. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reach it all the way back up, full breath. And exhale, the palms together back down with the heart.
Maybe your children are
Deep breath in.
nearby.
Deep breath out.
Mine's in college, so
Here we go again.
had to get a puppy
Reach
to
it up.
keep it challenging.
Exhale, dive.
Doesn't mean I can't do it.
Heart.
And you'll get to see me do it in my very imperfect way.
Inhale, deep breath in.
And I notice when I
Soft.
do, just the fact I'm breathing is so important.
Shoulders down and away. Exhale.
I'm no yogini, but I think the breath is worth a lot.
Right toes back. Open your heart. Good breath.
He's chewing on his
Exhale,
antler
plant
now,
the palms, slide the left toes back.
so maybe that will help.
Plank. Shift your weight forward, hug the elbows in. Inhale as you rise up into cobra.
This hurts
Bhujangasana or
on my
Uttanasana.
wrist because I'm no
Deep
youngster.
breath in on your exhale. Send it
I
back.
don't know if I'll be able to
Facing dog. Beautiful, my friend.
share this
Deep
whole
breath in.
video with you
Long
because
breath out.
I'm so
Inhale, step the right toes up.
not fancified.
Move the shoulders, take deep breath as you
Big
open.
lunge.
And exhale, back foot comes up to meet the front, forward fold.
Ooh.
Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, bow. Inhale,
Let me see if I can
lift
turn
all
this a
the way
little
up
bit so you can
to
see a little more Banjo.
And exhale, hands to heart. And we keep it going. Really try to synchronize the movement with the breath to move. Soft knees. Here we go. Inhale in, reach it up.
Reach it up.
Exhale, draw your knees
Moving
in,
forward.
Fold. Inhale, halfway lift, extend.
And I couldn't really even touch my toes when I started doing this
Exhale, bow.
in my mid-50s, but I get more and more limber, just
Inhale, step the
10
right
minutes
foot
a
back.
day.
Deep breath in, open
I
your
alternate. I'm going to do left. I usually do every other one
Exhale,
left and
plant the
right.
palms, slide the left foot back, plank.
This is how I like to do my planks on my
Inhale,
forearm.
shift your weight forward, hug the elbows in, open your heart.
Okay, Banjo.
Exhale to down dog.
So I get stronger.
Good. Inhale, step the right leg up.
And more
Use
balance.
that deep breath in to open up. Find that extension through the spine.
Can you see his paw on
And
my
exhale,
arm?
rocking the back foot up to meet the front.
Banjo.
Forward fold. Inhale,
I have to
halfway
adjust
lift,
here.
strengthening. Exhale back. Inhale all the way back up. Exhale back down to the heart. Keep it flowing. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, gliding forward. Inhale, lift the flat back.
I think I'll put this on YouTube to show
Exhale,
the
back.
real me.
Inhale,
Can you be a
step the right foot back,
YouTuber
keep it light.
who
Exhale, plant the
shoot, I'm
palms,
missing
draw your navel up, step it back to plank.
doesn't produce the videos
Shifting
professionally?
forward, hug the elbows in, inhale to up dog or cobra.
I think that's how Adriene
Exhale,
started.
downward facing dog.
Now she's got a couple million followers. Cobra.
Crazy.